The journey from scrap to screen represents a powerful shift in how creativity, sustainability, and income generation intersect in today's maker-driven economy, especially for beginners who may feel intimidated by large tools, complex machinery, or years of experience they think are required to succeed. Transforming discarded industrial materials into profitable home decor is no longer reserved for seasoned artisans or professional workshops. It has become an accessible, achievable path for everyday creators willing to look at forgotten materials with fresh eyes. Welcome to Decor Ideas, a creative space where woodworking meets imagination and simple materials turn into inspiring decor for modern living. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So we invite you to relax, watch till the end, and enjoy the process as it unfolds and get inspired. Factory offcuts, surplus wood panels, bent metal strips, old brackets, and weathered steel pieces often sit unused or are thrown away without a second thought. Yet within these materials lies enormous potential for beginner-friendly projects that balance simplicity, beauty, and market demand. The significance of this transformation lies not only in the physical act of crafting, but also in the mindset shift it encourages, seeing waste as opportunity and creativity as a practical tool for financial independence. For many newcomers, starting with approachable projects such as reclaimed wood wall hangings or compact metal sculpture bookends becomes a gentle but powerful introduction to the world of upcycled art. These projects do not demand perfection. Instead, they celebrate texture, imperfection, and story, which are qualities modern buyers increasingly seek in home decor. A slightly uneven grain, a visible weld line, or a patina formed by time becomes a feature rather than a flaw, allowing beginners to work confidently without the pressure of factory-level precision. As these creators begin crafting, they discover that accessible techniques, simple cutting, sanding, basic joining, surface finishing, and thoughtful composition are enough to turn forgotten factory scraps into unique, sellable creations that stand out in a crowded market of mass-produced decor. The process itself becomes a form of learning by doing, where each finished piece builds skill, confidence, and a deeper understanding of materials. Reclaimed wood wall art, for example, can start with basic planks or broken pallets, arranged intuitively into geometric or organic compositions that reflect personal style, while metal bookends can be shaped from scrap steel using simple bends, cuts, and surface treatments to create functional sculptures that feel both industrial and refined. What makes these beginner projects especially powerful is how easily they transition from the workshop to the screen. In a digital-first world, the story behind the object often matters as much as the object itself. Sharing the transformation process through photos or videos allows creators to connect emotionally with audiences, turning a small handmade item into a narrative of sustainability, creativity, and resourcefulness. From scrap to screen, the maker documents not just a product, but a journey, how something discarded was rescued, reimagined, and given new purpose. This transparency builds trust and authenticity, two qualities that drive purchasing decisions in online marketplaces and social platforms. Buyers are no longer just purchasing decor, they're supporting a philosophy of mindful making and environmental responsibility. The economic significance of these beginner-friendly upcycled art projects lies in their low barrier to entry. With minimal material costs and basic tools, creators can experiment freely, reduce financial risk, and refine designs based on real market feedback. Each sale reinforces the idea that sustainable design can be profitable, encouraging makers to reinvest earnings into better tools, improved finishes, or expanded product lines. Over time, What begins as a small side project can evolve into a steady income stream or even a full-time creative business rooted in ethical production. Beyond income, there is a deeper value in learning how to work with reclaimed industrial materials. It reconnects people to the physical world in an age dominated by digital consumption. The tactile experience of shaping wood or metal fosters patience, focus, and pride, while the act of selling handmade, upcycled art reinforces self-worth and creative identity. Beginners quickly realize that they do not need to chase trends or mimic expensive luxury brands. Instead, their strength lies in originality, honesty, and the visible hand of the maker. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Moreover, participating in local craft fairs and art shows can provide opportunities for upcycled artists to connect with their communities, gather feedback, and establish a local customer base. These venues often attract individuals who are interested in supporting local artists and sustainable practices, further emphasizing the growing demand behind such creations. Through word of mouth and local networks, upcycled art can quickly become sought after, allowing beginners to turn their passion into a profitable venture. Each piece becomes a quiet protest against wastefulness and disposable culture, offering an alternative vision where design is intentional, materials are respected, and beauty emerges from constraint. From scrap to screen, the path of beginner-friendly upcycled art demonstrates that making money does not require sacrificing values. On the contrary, the most compelling and sellable creations often arise when sustainability, storytelling, and simplicity work together. By transforming overlooked industrial remnants into functional, expressive decor, new creators discover that profit and purpose are not opposites but partners, and that even the humblest scraps can become symbols of possibility when guided by creativity and care. The combination of artistic expression and environmental mindfulness provides a dynamic platform for generating income while simultaneously benefiting the planet. As beginners explore various techniques from woodworking to metal sculpting, they will find that every project is an opportunity for growth, both creatively and financially. In essence, the journey from scrap to screen encapsulates the transformative power of creativity. By embracing upcycling, individuals not only foster a sense of connection with their work and the environment, but also contribute to a larger narrative about sustainability and responsible consumption. Techniques for crafting unique pieces, such as reclaimed wood wall hangings or metal sculpture bookends, are easily accessible, allowing beginners to embark on this artistic journey with minimal barriers. As these artists experiment and hone their skills, they contribute to a growing movement that values sustainability in design, resonating with consumers increasingly interested in the stories and principles behind their purchases. The potential of transforming discarded industrial materials into profitable home decor through beginner-friendly upcycled art projects is significant. Not only does this practice help reduce waste and promote sustainability, but it also empowers individuals to explore their creative inclinations while generating income. Transforming scraps into screen-ready art not only redefines how we interact with discarded materials, but it also establishes a new narrative where creativity and commerce beautifully intertwine. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.